Hello everyone out there in internet land. Now it seems that unboxing things is a very popular subject for YouTube videos, especially these loot crate type blind boxes. So the one I subscribe to is the Marvel one, since I'm a Marvel fanatic, the Marvel Collector Core. This is actually my last month of it. I've signed up for a full year, and I'm debating if I want to spend another $200 to have another year of it. It's been pretty enjoyable so far, and this month is themed on my second favorite character from Marvel, Deadpool. The next month is based on Civil War, the movie I can't wait for the most this year. So I do want the next month, but do I want to spend the 200? Well, depending on what stuff I get here, it might sway my opinion. Without further ado, the Deadpool Collector Core box. Well, first off, like always, the Collector Core, we get a Deadpool pin, or no, Deadpool patch. And we also get a Deadpool, it's kind of hard to see, Deadpool pen. Those are always in every collector box. A pen and a patch. Right. Next up we have Deadpool exclusive comic book. Well, exclusive, well, is this exclusive comic book? It's a variant. I don't know which. I think it's a variant of the first issue of the newest Deadpool series. So that's cool. Nice artwork on that. If you can't see, it shows Deadpool eating a bunch of his favorite snack, the chimichangas. We'll save the shirt for last. Next up we have, I don't know what these call them, mopies. There's a little, I've seen they've done these for a bunch of different characters now, little stuffed dolls, happy little stuffed dolls. This is, I believe, Deadpool's X-Force uniform, not his normal uniform he's normally in, it's more black. Yeah, pretty nice. Next up is a Dorbs, a Deadpool Dorbs. Very good lighting in this room for to see. I can see that. Deadpool. Deadpool. It's Deadpool with like a cowboy hat on, and he's got like a little. Let's say Deadpool. Does it say what it is? It is Deadpool. Deadpool cowboy is what it is, and he's got a little horse with him. Can't tell. I can't see that from here. But yeah. Next up, there's my exclusive Deadpool Funko Pop. It's pretty cool. It's Deadpool. So just a normal, just standing. It's Deadpool's about ready to. He's jumping in the air. We'll get to the shirt. Till there. Deadpool. It's a yellow Deadpool. Yeah, Funko yellow Deadpool, which I don't know why Deadpool would be yellow. I don't know if I got good. Yeah, I don't really know why Deadpool's yellow. It's a Funko version of Deadpool, which is cool, but I don't know why Deadpool's yellow. But pretty cool overall. Yeah, I think I prefer the boxes that, even though I love Deadpool, I think I prefer boxes that have more than one character themed, like the Avengers ones or the Guardians ones that can have more characters to theme their stuff around. But overall pretty nice. We'll see if I continue to get to Collector's Core. There's a lot of nerdy things and things in general I want to spend money on right now, so we'll see if Marvel Collector Core fits in the budget. Stan Lee's coming to town, so I want to get his autograph, which that's not cheap. And there's a convention in St. Louis I'd like to go to, and all sorts of things. So we'll see. Well, until next time, Matthew signing off.